my channel. Today I'm sharing 5 sewing projects you can make in under 10 minutes. This is actually part 2 of my sewing project series, so if you haven't seen the first video, I'll have it linked down below in the description so you can check it out. Like last time, these projects are a perfect way to use up some of your scrap fabric, and they would also make some really lovely gifts as well. So let's get started. First up, let's make some super cute coin purses. Start by cutting 4 15 by 20 cm rectangles, 2 in a main fabric and 2 in a lining fabric. I use my water erasable marker to make this step a little easier. Next, take a 20 cm zip and place the wrong side of the zip along the top edge of one of the lining fabrics. Then place the wrong side of the main fabric onto the zip, lining up the edge of the fabric with the lining piece. Pin in place. Stitch the fabric to the zip along the pinned edge, sewing as close to the zipper teeth as possible. Do the same for the other side of the zip. Next, open up the zip approximately 3/4 of the way, then fold the main fabric and the lining fabric onto one another. Pin along the edge, matching the zip together. Sew the coin purse together, making sure to leave an opening at the bottom of the lining fabric to be able to fold your coin purse right side out. Once stitched, trim the excess fabric along the sewn seam and fold right side out. Use a knitting needle to poke the corners out. Then, iron the raw edge into the inside of the lining and stitch closed. Next, let's make this handy picnic blanket or yoga mat strap. For this project, you'll need some cotton heading tape in your choice of colour. Start by measuring 2 55 cm and 1 45 cm pieces of heading tape. These are the measurements I use for my blanket, but make yours as big or as small as you'd like. Then, take the 45 cm piece and fold the raw edges to prevent fraying, and pin them to the centre of the 55 cm pieces. Stitch the 45 cm piece in place by sewing a sort of square with a cross in the centre. This helps to reinforce the stitches, making the strap a little bit more heavy duty. Next, fold the last 4 raw edges to prevent them from fraying, and stitch them with the same square cross method. Lastly, sew 4 pieces of Velcro onto the strap ends. Then place your blanket or yoga mat inside. Now, let's make some hair ties. Start by cutting out a 50 by 10 cm rectangle with a slightly rounded point at both ends. I found it easier to make a paper template first. Then fold the rectangle in half long ways with right sides together and iron flat. Sew along the open edge of the hair tie, being sure to leave a small opening in the middle to turn the hair tie right side out. hair tie right side out using a knitting needle to poke the point out. Iron flat and top stitch around the edge of the hair tie, sewing the small opening closed as you stitch. Next, let's make a cushion cover. I'm using some fabric left over from my velvet coat, and it's just the nicest fabric, so I'll have it linked down below if you'd like to get some for yourself. To make the cushion cover, start by measuring and cutting 2 45 by 45 centimetre squares of your fabric of choice. Again, I'm using my water erasable pen to make this step a little easier. Once cut, take a 46 centimetre zip and place it right side down onto the bottom edge of your fabric. Sew the zip to the fabric, stitching as close to the zipper teeth as possible. Then, again with right sides together, place and sew the other side of the zip onto the other piece of fabric. Once the zip is attached, open it about 3/4 of the way and fold the cushion cover right sides together. Matching the zip together, pin and sew along the entire edge of the cushion cover. Next, turn the cushion cover right side out. Then place a cushion insert inside the cover, zip the cover up, and it's done. Lastly, let's make some quick and easy reusable makeup wipes. Using a toweling or flannel type fabric and a round template, draw and cut out an even number of circles. I place my fabric on the fold to make this process a little bit quicker. Pin 2 circles to one another. Then, using the zigzag stitch of your sewing machine or an overlocker, stitch the circles to one another. The zigzag stitch and overlocker will help the wipes to not fray as they are used. And it's that simple. To clean them, just put them in a laundry bag and pop them in the washing machine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have a go at making any of these projects for yourself, then I would love to see them. So be sure to tag me at Rosary Apparel if you do share them on your social media. And if you like the video, then be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to enter the 10K Rosary giveaway. If you would like to win a custom dress made by me and some other amazing prizes, then just follow the link in the description below this video to find out how to enter. The winners will be announced on Christmas Eve, so good luck!